Hey guys, Brad with Family Handyman. Today I'm going to show you how to build a workbench. It's going to be a very basic bench, super simple to build, really sturdy and durable, and last you a lifetime. Now, all you need is a sheet of plywood and a sheet of MDF. Let's get started. Breaking down 4x8 sheets of plywood by yourself is cumbersome, so I like to use a circular saw or track saw instead of trying to wrestle those pieces through the table saw. Alright, so we've got all our parts cut, and now we're going to start assembling. And we'll start with the interior braces, and that just involves some gluing and pinning. Then build the platform frames. And attach the braces using glue and screws. Glue and screw the corner braces in place. Attach the lower platform top by driving screws through the brace flanges and corner braces. Glue and nail the leg parts together in an L shape. Once the parts are tacked together with brad nails, add a few screws for strength. Glue and screw the lower platform to the legs at whatever height you like. Drive screws from the inside of the legs if you prefer that they don't show. Next, clamp the upper platform in place flush with the tops of the legs and attach it just like you did the lower platform. Fasten the layered top in 2 steps. With the top base on sawhorses, center the assembled bench framework on it and drive screws through the support flanges and corner braces, and then pre-drill screw holes for attaching the work surface. Drilling these holes after attaching the base layer guarantees that they're accessible if you need to replace the work surface. Slide the work surface in place underneath the base layer and fasten it with wood screws through the pre-drilled holes. So now we can sand this and put on a coat of finish, or just leave it as is. Bottom line is, it's ready to go and all set for you to get to work. For more workbench ideas, visit us at familyhandyman.com.